So the fourth tip for today is I've accidentally closed or hidden or deleted something. How do I get it back? Sometimes maybe I just accidentally close this model palette. And then I can't find, oh no, I don't know where the model palette is back. So the shortcut to call the model palette is F4. The model palette will show up. Or the normal way to do it would be to go to your flow sheet, to go to the flow sheet tab here, click on palette, models, and screens. Then you will show up again. What happens if I accidentally close the whole flow sheet? Click on view, click on flow sheet. So that's what happens. And another few other tips is that flowsheet find object is quite useful. So let's say you go and flowsheet here, you can click on find object or F3. It will show everything that exists on your flowsheet. So in case that you have accidentally moved this reactor out of the screen, you can still find it in this way. And also on the left-hand bar, sometimes you have to open up the folders to see what's inside. And for example, unit operations will show all the equipment on the flow sheet. So again, if you can't find it, just click on it, and then it shows you the menu for this equipment. If all else fails, press F1 for help. So if really you cannot find anything, you just press F1, and the in software help will show up. And the good thing about this help is that it is specific to what you just opened. For example, I just open the PFR. I press F1, it will actually show what tab that I'm opening. So if I go to rating and press F1, it goes to the PFR rating page. So the help menu in HYSYS is very specific, and it will know what you are trying to see. For example, you go to reactions, press F1, it goes to the reaction info page on the PFR. So that's a very helpful tip to know in case you get lost. Just press F1 and make sure you just open whatever that you're trying to look at. F1 shows the detail page for the equilibrium reactor. Very, very handy feature. So keep this in mind, and then it will make your life easier.